Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last class, we have studied how to eliminate arbitrary constant to form a partial differential equation. Okay, let me discuss one more example to eliminate arbitrary constants. Okay, example, form a partial differential equation by eliminating a, b and c from z equals ax plus by plus cxy. Okay, first write the given equation z equals ax plus by plus cxy. Call it equation number 1. Now differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. We get dou z by dou x equals a, x differentiation 1, a into 1a plus. Here differentiation of y with respect to x is 0. C differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. We have c into y. Okay. Instead of dou z by dou x, I wrote p equals a plus cy. Okay. Now differentiate this with respect to y. Dou z by dou y equals, this is 0. B differentiation of y, partial differentiation of y with respect to y is 1. B plus cx. Okay, that is dou z by dou y equals b plus cx. Instead of dou z by dou y, I wrote q equals b plus cx. Now write r. R can be written as dou square z by dou x square. This can be written as dou by dou x into dou z by dou x. Dou z by dou x value a plus cy. Partial differentiation of a plus cy with respect to x is 0. Here there is no x term, there is no x term. Okay. S equals dou square z by dou x dou y. R, S, T, these all are notations we have studied in the first class. Okay. Dou by dou x into dou z by dou y equals dou by dou x, dou z by dou y value b plus cx. B plus differentiation of b with respect to x is 0. Cx with respect to x is c. T equals dou square z by dou y square equals dou by dou y, dou z by dou y equals dou by dou y b plus cx. There is no y term, so 0. Okay. From this r is 0, s equals c, t is 0, s equals c, r c equals s. Okay. Put c equals s in equation 2 and 3. We get p equals a plus sy, q equals b plus sx, a equals p minus sy, b equals q minus sx. Substituting a and b values in 1, we have z equals ax plus by plus cxy. Equation number 1. Substitute a and b c values, p minus sy into x plus q minus sx into y plus sxy. That is px minus syx, qy minus sxy plus sxy. These two get cancelled. We have z equals px plus qy minus sxy. This is the required partial differential equation, which is of order 2. Next, by eliminating arbitrary functions. In the last class we have studied how to eliminate arbitrary constants. Now elimination of arbitrary functions to form a partial differential equation. Formation of partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary functions in the given examples. Example, form the partial differential equation z equals f of x plus ay plus g of x minus ay. Therefore, given equation is given z equals f of x plus ay plus g of x minus ay. P equals dou z by dou x. Differentiate this with respect to x. We have f dash of x plus ay, x differentiation 1 plus g dash of x minus ay, x differentiation is 1. So next differentiate with respect to y. Q equals dou z by dou y equals, this is f dash of x plus ay. Differentiation of this with respect to y, this is 0, a into 1a. This is g dash of x minus ay. Differentiation of this with respect to y is minus a. Okay. Now r equals dou square z by dou x square, that is dou by dou x, dou z by dou x, dou by dou x, dou z by dou x value f dash of x plus ay plus g dash of x minus ay. Now differentiate this again with respect to x. We have f double dash of x plus ay plus g double dash of x minus ay. T equals dou square z by dou y square equals dou by dou y of dou z by dou y. Dou z by dou y value a into f dash of x plus ay minus a into g dash of x minus ay. Okay, now differentiate with respect to y. This is as it is f double dash of x plus ay. Now differentiation of x plus ay with respect to y is a minus a is constant. G dash of x minus ay is g double dash of x minus ay. Now differentiation of this with respect to y is minus a into a square f double dash of x plus ay minus plus a into a square g double dash of x minus ay. Therefore t equals a square into r. This implies dou square z by dou y square. T nothing but dou square z by dou y square equals a square. R value, r is dou square z by dou x square. So this can be written as dou square z by dou y square minus a square into dou square z by dou x square equals 0. This is the required partial differential equation. Next example. Form the partial differential equation of f of x square plus y square comma z minus xy equals 0. First write the given equation. Let u equals x square plus y square, v equals z minus xy. Differentiate partially u and v with respect to x and y. We get dou u by dou x. Differentiate this with respect to x. Dou u by dou x equals 2x. Dou u by dou y equals 2y. This is differentiate with respect to x and y. Dou v by dou x equals z dou z by dou x minus y. Dou z by dou x is p minus y. With respect to y, dou v by dou y equals dou z by dou y minus x. This is q minus x. Okay, f of u comma v equals 0. Differentiate with respect to x. We have dou f by dou u by dou x plus dou f by dou v by dou x equals 0. Dou f by dou x, dou u by dou x value 2x plus dou f by dou v by dou x value p minus y equals 0. Equation number 2. Again differentiate when 1 partially with respect to y. Dou f by dou u by dou y plus dou f by dou v by dou y equals 0. Dou f by dou u, this value is 2y plus dou f by dou v, this value is q minus x equals 0. Now eliminating dou f by dou u, dou f by dou y, from 2 and 3 we get, write the coefficients of dou f by dou u and dou f by dou y. Okay, 2x p minus y here. Here the coefficients are 2x p minus y. Sorry, this is v. Dou f by dou v, here coefficients 2y q minus x. Okay, expand this determinant, 2x into q minus x minus 2y into p minus y. Take 2 common, x into q minus x minus y into p minus y equals 0. Equate 2 with 0, we get 0. X into q minus x minus y into p minus y equals 0. X into q minus x square minus yp minus plus y square equals 0. X cube minus yp equals, if it goes to the RHS it becomes positive x square, if it goes to the RHS it becomes negative minus y square. This is the required partial differential equation. Next example, find the partial differential equation of all spheres whose center lies on the z plane z equals 0 and whose radius is r. Okay, we know that the equation of the sphere with center on the plane z equals 0 and radius r is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z square equals r square. This is standard equation. Call it equation number 1. Now differentiate this with respect to x. We have 2 into x minus a plus, this is 0, plus 2z dou z by dou x equals 0. R square differentiation with respect to x is 0. Okay, 2 into x minus a plus 2z dou z by dou x is p equals 0. X minus a equals minus zp, 2 get cancelled. Okay, again differentiate this with respect to y. 2 into x minus a, this is 0. 2 into y minus b plus 2z dou z by dou y equals 0. 2 into y minus b plus 2zq equals 0. Y minus b equals minus zq. Now substituting x minus a, y minus b values in equation number 1, we get minus zp whole square plus of minus zq whole square plus z square equals r square. Take z square common, p square plus q square plus 1 equals r square. This is the required partial differential equation.